Michael. Hey. Hey. What are you doing? What are you doing? He's done. Michael. Look at this shirt. He's like getting hoarse. I know. Michael. Hey. Are you ready to go on a walk? Shall we take movies? Do you want to take Rocky? He's like, no, I'm just going to stare at Mom now. You want to go on a walk, Michael? Are you ready? Are you ready? Michael. He's trying to sit up. Oh, he was. It looks like a second. He's so funny.